Okay guys, you should be right here and push enter. Okay, I'm not going to do it because I already have it. So what should come up is that. Should look just like that. Okay? Does everybody's look like that?
Yes. Yes.
Now some of you are going to have this thing where it looks like this. Okay? Don't freak out. All right? None of this is going to show. All of this is for auto indexing, which is a class you're going to take when you get out. Okay? Because it's way complicated. Okay? Way more complicated than we need it to be. Okay? For school. You need this for your final. You don't need the auto indexing for your final. Okay? So don't worry about any of this stuff, because if you just arrow up and down, you shouldn't really get it, I don't think. But if you arrow left and right, you'll probably get it. So it's going to look like this. Don't worry about it. When you print, all you're going to see is this. Okay? So don't worry about any of that stuff. So don't freak out. All right. The next thing we're going to do is cram. All right. So it should look like that. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Did you global it? Which is what?
Control.
Control G. It should be cram. All right? Now what? Special entries, Control E. A, auto include. Opens this. Guys, I'm going to show you a little shortcut here. Pay attention, because I don't want to have to do it 19 times. You see how this little blue thing is kind of whatever? Do CR. You see how it brings up everything with CR? Now you don't have to go through and scroll through that whole thing. You know what you're looking for. You're looking for cross.
Yes.
Not continued cross, not cross-examination, cross. Got it? Open, it's going to come here. All right? Do you want it in your main?
Yes.
Yes. Press enter. And I'm not speaking Spanish here, okay? Cram.
Okay. Cram.
Speaker 1. Question symbol, not mark. And it should come up.
Cross-examination.
And it should look like this. Cross, by attorney 1, question. If yours does not look like that, tell me now.
My question is to the right of my attorney, it's not underneath it.
It's to the right?
Yes. I mean, it's not to the right. It's to the right, yeah, it's not underneath.
If you start typing, it goes underneath.
Oh, it does?
Yes.
Press something.
Right.
State your-
Okay, it does now, it does, yes.
State your
Okay. Well, but it's indented though, is that a big issue? Is anybody
Huh?
else's indented?
Mine is indented.
Okay, yeah, ours is indented, yours is not.
We're going to be here till 10:30.
Sorry.
No, it is supposed to be like that. It's okay.
So if hers
So
is
if yours looks
indented-
like that, it's okay.
Yeah.
All right, it's not that
Is
big
yours
of a deal.
indented, Stephanie?
And mine might be on that because it's on the,
Okay. See, it's indented.
no, it's right.
Okay.
Oh, I know this one.
Yeah, all right. So it should look like this, or pretty close. So yours is probably gonna be a little bit indented over here, which is really what it's supposed to look like. I did mine, one, through the tutorial, not through a test, but I'm doing it totally different because I don't have my machine hooked up, so it may look a little bit different because it's doing it this way. So I did in the, no, I'm not gonna get ahead of myself. It'll way get you guys. Okay, now what I need you to do is do R-E, dram, dram. And if you can think of something different, help yourself. I don't really care. But this is for redirect examination. Okay? So if you can think of something that's, you know, you can do DRARM, D-R-A-R-M. Instead of dram, dram, you can do DRARM, DRARM. I don't know. It's too confusing to me. I do it easier this way. Re-dram, dram. It's quick, easy.
It's already in there.
Huh?
Mostly. You've already have it memorized mostly with the dram dram.
Yeah. So it makes it easier for me. Okay? Global. So it's going to be R-E. That's what it should look like. Okay? Does it look like that? Guys, be very careful that you don't do R-I. And it's R-E. Redram. Got it? Because if you do R-I, it's going to put it as a suffix with the last word that you did.
Right.
Got it? Yes?
No.
Seriously?
Yes, my re won't connect with the dram dram. I'm trying to do what you're telling me to do, and it won't.
What do you mean?
You won't either? See what I'm saying?
Guys, don't worry about that. I'm telling you, don't do R-I.
No,
Don't
we're
worry
doing
about
RE.
it connecting.
We're doing RE, but it's not connecting it. That's what I'm trying to say. It won't let.
It doesn't
highlight.
need to connect it.
Okay.
It doesn't need to be together. You just have to global all three strokes. If you can global all three strokes, you're going to be fine. Now global all three strokes. Special entries, AA. And do RED.
Redirect.
Redirect. Highlight it. Make sure it's in there. Open. That's what it should look like. Does it look like that?
Yes.
Are you having problems since those are already in there, like under something else? Are you having problems defining it this way?
Because the block files don't come, like it doesn't bring up the
It's
block
not
file.
letting me either, right?
All it
Yeah.
does
It's
is,
not letting you what?
because DRX just puts direct examination. But when I do dram, it puts the
So
block
you
file
can do
for direct
Control
examination, which
D.
means it includes all that highlighted
Control D.
printer.
I do RAM
you know,
Yeah, you do
stuff.
Control
Okay.
D.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Like when I do Drex, it's
In
just the
terms of the
words.
stroke,
But
Okay.
dram inserts the whole
if I
file.
can remember.
Okay.
R.
Do it again.
But that's not working.
Is that already in there? Like redram, have you already put it in?
You're doing it
No,
this way?
like,
That's what
I'm doing
doing.
it right now, but when I do it, it's gonna come up the way the other one was coming up, like that.
Or was it, you
I
see,
don't know
go
why
to
it's
A.
doing it.
maybe
Okay,
it doesn't have.
what we're
the
gonna
actual
do,
Maybe,
You know what I mean? Like, that's just the file name.
yeah.
what did you do?
It doesn't have any content.
That's what comes up.
Redirect, is it redirect not this way?
Like,
But it
that's the
came
file
off.
name.
How did you do
No,
that?
that
No.
was with, the other
Speakers.
reporter, that's
No,
RDRD.
it's in the one. So
What's
it's
our
three.
name?
Redirect examination under,
But it's not the block file.
it's not the block book, it's
It's
just,
the words.
it's just the words.
Why is it centering and everything?